Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Similar to Bitcoin, we just take a look at quickly at the higher level wave count because there's a lot of new viewers here. So similar to Bitcoin, I see the price action that evolved early in 2021 as a wave 1. Then we came down now in a wave 2. The wave 2 might be finished. I think that's actually quite likely for Ethereum given the price action and the impulsive nature of it. After the wave 1 we came down in a wave A, we created an overshooting wave B, basically the all-time high around $5,000, and we then came down in a wave C, which itself was a 5-wave move. We had a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside, and now we are evolving to the upside. Target for the next all-time high, that is only one scenario. There are various scenarios that could unfold here now. We won't know which one is unfolding until a little bit later, until we see more higher level price action. But target for the next all-time high would be at least $8,700. That is the 1.618 extension that would assume that we are in a wave 3. If we go to the all-time high, that is the target for the price discovery phase, the first price target, $8,739. It can even be more, okay? But be aware, this can take probably years, maybe only months, but probably years to play out. Okay, so where are we then here in the short term? Short term would assume at the moment for Ethereum that the low is already in at $880. Again, I would give this scenario a 65% probability. There's still a 35% probability that we will come down low and make another lower low below 880. There will be, I will increase probabilities for the bullish scenario further as soon as we see the first 5 waves really complete. And we see an ABC correction in this green area, which is currently located between 1230 and 1440, which would be a wave 2 correction. After this being a large wave 1, a wave 2 correction. When that's complete and we start to go higher, then I would increase probabilities for the bullish scenario, because this 5-wave move up and 3-wave move down on a relevant time frame will indicate that the low indeed is in for Ethereum. And that is also another opportunity to accumulate. Now this area will shift depending on how high we now go in this wave 5. Because what you can see is this nice 5-wave impulse that's evolving here. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. No, that was not the 4. It's here. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, and we don't know yet how long the wave 5 will go. Maybe it's already complete. If it's already complete, I would want to see a signal, a drop below 1560. Then I'm pretty sure we're going to go in this green area. As long as we're holding the 1560 level, we can focus on higher. And in the very short term, that's also my primary expectation, that we're going to create higher highs here in this 5th wave within a series of subwaves where we are, we came down from this reversal area here. That was the last meaningful reversal area at around 1560. So we reversed to the upside as expected. We moved up in a wave 1 in an impulse, came down in a 2. We're now in this wave 3. As you can see, there are various subwaves within these waves, within the wave 3. So we had another 1, 2, and we are in the wave 3. And in the wave 3, we had another 1, 2. And we are in this wave 3, and within this wave we had another 1, 2, 3, possibly 4 already complete, and we're now in the wave 5 of the wave 3. Now it can be confusing, you don't need to, it's probably clearer when you've been following all of this, or when you have some time to check the chart on TradingView that channel members can see now, because I'm sharing it. These are all the subwaves, yeah, and of course I try to keep you updated, try to make it as accurately as possible, therefore I have to add all these subwaves. They can create a really, really bullish setup for further continuation to the upside, as long as the 1560 level is holding. Well, to be fair, if we already drop towards 1560, a lot of these will get invalidated, because the price should not fall below these wave 2s anymore to keep them alive. But for now, as I said, we've done this wave 3. Yesterday we reached target. I think we even slightly did overshoot the target. We then came down in the wave 4 reversal area, in which we currently still are. So again, this is another very relevant area that ideally we are holding. That would be my primary expectation. A drop below 1756 would make this very unlikely. Then we can still come down to 1729, but if we go below this, it will completely invalidate this wave count, and we then have to take it from there. Then have to go to the higher level wave count, and first have to assume that Maybe this wave 2 was never finished, but we then have to take it from there and look at the structure then. The sideways price action here over the last few hours suggests that this wave 4 in the reversal area is unfolding as a triangle. At the moment we can count it as a wave A, a wave B, a wave C, a wave D and a wave E. Triangles can expand and triangles can extend further in unpredictable ways. At the moment it looks like it's finished because we can count those 5 triangle waves as per the Elliott Wave method. The wave E would also be the completion of the wave 4, and from here we would expect a breakout to the upside. Now again, a triangle can evolve, can go longer and so on. Best evidence that indeed we are going to break out and that wave 4 is finished is therefore a breakout above the $1,799 level, above the wave B. Already a move above the wave D would be a good indication, that is at 1788, but the best evidence is the move above 1799. Should we go lower here, so basically below, for example, 1756, it would invalidate the triangle and we are not in a triangle pattern, okay, and we are in something more bearish. From here I would expect the price to go up in a wave 5 basically, yeah? In a wave 5, and we can also calculate target now for wave 5. See this a little bit with a pinch of salt because we're looking here really at micro counting basically. So targets are a little bit diluted sometimes on these. Well, best target for that, if this really is the wave 4 low and the target can shift, if the wave 4 low is shifting, then it would be the 1-to-1 ratio that's currently at 1820. That is one target, and I will highlight this now on the chart, 1820. Second target would be 1856, which is the 1.618 extension. So these are 2 targets, and I would expect that wave 5 to land either here or up there. And then I would expect it to come down in a wave 4 if that happens as fast as yesterday, which I don't think it will. I think there might be a bit of sideways movement now before the CPI data release tomorrow. Then yeah, we can also calculate that already. Let's say, okay, we are coming up maybe to 1820, or let's say we come to 1855. Yeah, then we would expect that wave 4 to land in the region between 1811 and 1762, between the 23.6% FIB level and the 50% level. But it's a bit too early to say that. Depending on how high we really go, then we can calculate the wave 4 retracement area. Alright, and that is my update about Ethereum. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.